Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Sertoli cells at puberty secretes androgen binding protein and a hormone inhibin. The first signal in the intrauterine life of Leydig cells is to secrete testosterone is HCG. HCG is the first signal in intrauterine life for Leydig cells to secrete testosterone. HCG is functionally similar to luteinizing hormone because after puberty, luteinizing hormone acts on Leydig cells to produce testosterone.
thank you and thank you for watching.